We'll rise above the pain. We'll find a way through the grief and the shame. We'll make it through the day. We'll hold on to love and never let go. We'll uplift each other and watch each other grow.
When death comes knocking, it's hard to stay strong, but we gotta hold on and keep moving along. For the ones we lost, they'll forever be in our hearts. We'll keep their memory alive and never depart from the love we shared, the laughter, the tears. We'll keep it real and wipe away our fears. We'll uplift each other through the darkest night and shine a light that will guide us to the
We'll
right.
rise above the pain. We'll find a way through the grief and the shame. We'll make it through the day. We'll hold on to love and never let go. We'll uplift each other and watch each other grow.
We'll tell their stories and keep their legacy alive. We'll celebrate their lives and the impact they had on our stride. We'll be strong for each other and hold each other tight. We'll get through this together and shine with all our might. We'll find the strength to carry on their name and keep their memory alive in every single claim. We'll rise above the sorrow and find a way to heal. And in the end, we'll find
rise
a way
above
to
the
heal.
pain. We'll find a way through the grief and the shame. We'll make it through the day. We'll hold on to love and never let go. We'll uplift each other and watch each other grow. It's okay to feel the pain. It's okay to cry, but don't let the darkness take over your mind. We'll get through this. We'll make it through the night, and we'll shine so bright like a beacon in the light.
We'll keep their love alive in our hearts and minds. We'll keep their memory close and never divide. We'll find a way to heal and move forward in time, and we'll shine our light and make our love shine.
So let's uplift each other and be the light in the darkest times. We'll shine so bright. We'll keep their memory alive and never forget. And we'll rise above the pain and find a way to be set free. We'll rise above the pain.